clearly see that all these bars, the top extra bars, the top main bars, and also the bottom main bars will be bent like this inside the supports. So how much will be this bend? Basically, this bend height, if you want to calculate, you simply have to subtract the clear cover of the beam from top and bottom from the total depth of the beam. How you will calculate the height of this particular bent portion is total depth of the beam minus both side clear covers. Clear cover from top side and the clear cover from bottom side. That it will give you the cutting length for this particular vertical portion, which is going to be bent inside the support. So the same thing we will do it in the Excel sheet also. So on this particular side, under the 22nd column, we will put this formula equal to what is the total beam height? It is 530 mm. So select that particular cell. All right. And then minus in bracket 2 times the clear cover. Why 2 times? Because from the top and from bottom side also, from both the sides, we need to deduct the cover, right? So 2 multiplied by the clear cover of beam, not the column. Okay. You have to consider the beam here while deducting the clear cover. So select that cell and close the bracket and press enter. So we have got this vertical portion cutting length as 480 mm. All right. So if you see this particular image, you can see that basically these are the top extra bars. Correct. Just now we have discussed about the top extra bars. So that will look like this in actual. All right. So basically you can see that on the continuous end, like this, the beam bars will run. All right. These are the top extra bars, which will be placed near the support for L/4 distance from the face of the support. Here, like this, the pin bars will be provided, which I have shown you. If you remember, I've shown you these blue color dot bars are pin bars, right? So if sufficient space is not available between the two bottom main bars, so like this, the curtailed bar will be provided here by, inserting the pin bars between the curtail bar and the bottom main bars. So it will look like this in actual here. These are the pin bars which will be provided like this.